We are going to have a music band perform for us in Spanish, and I'm excited to introduce a talented band led by Danny, one of our link students. He's joined by his friend Maria from Ukraine. Maria has a deep passion for Spanish music, which adds up to a wonderful cultural touch to our event. Let's give a warm welcome as they take the stage. Danny,